Dear subscribers, welcome to my channel. In our computer knowledge awareness videos, we are going to discuss part 3, computer awareness part 3. In this part 3, we are going to discuss top 20 MCQ, which are very helpful for your upcoming exams. So moving on, question number 41. The easiest way to access any part of the screen in the Windows operating system is using the keyboard, mouse, monitor, none of the above. The correct answer is mouse. We often use a mouse to navigate or access Windows operating system. Question number 42. A software is also called as file, document, folder, programs. Simple, we know it. Option D, programs. Moving on, question number 43. Back programs make copies of the files to be used in case the original files are damaged or lost. Option A, true, false, either true or false, neither true or false. The correct answer is true. Question number 44. A microprocessor is often termed as dash, register, conductor, CPU, none of the above. The correct answer is CPU. CPU is also known as microprocessor. Question number 45. Which utility identifies unnecessary files on the hard disks and erase them based on user's command? Disk format, disk defragmentation, disk cleanup, none of the above. The correct answer is disk cleanup utility. Question number 46. Full form of LAN is large area network, local area network, lounge area network, none of the above. The correct answer is, we all know, local area network, and which is a popular network. Question number 47. Full form of WAN is wide area network, world area network, work area network, and width area network. The correct answer is wide area network. Option A. Moving on, question number 48. Full form of MAN is, it is not the MAN. Mobile area network, mobility area network, motion area network, metropolitan area network. The correct answer is metropolitan area network. Question number 49. Full form of SAN is system area network, storage area network, signal area network, none of the above. The correct answer is storage area network. Coming to question number 50. Full form of PAN is personal area network, private area network, plain area network, none of the above. It is option A, personal area network. Question number 51. Full form of VPN is VIP private network, visual private network, virtual private network, verified private network. It is option C, virtual private network. Question number 52. Full form of CAN is common area network, cable area network, canvas area network, campus area network. It is option D. Option D, it is campus area network. Coming to question number 53. A nibble is a combination of dash bits 2, 4, 5, 6. It is a combination of 4 bits. Option B. Question number 54. A byte is a combination of dash bits 4, 7, 9, 8. It is option D, 8. Question number 55. RDBMS full form is, this is a popular question, you must know. Rational Database Management System, Ratio Database Management System, Real Database Management System, Relational Database Management System. The option is option D, Relational Database Management System. Question number 56. A database that spreads information across different tables while maintaining links between them is referred to as relational database, rational database, ratio database, real database. The correct answer is, of course, correct. Yes, it is option A, relational database. Question number 57. A computer's monitor's DPI can be changed Here DPI stands for double power instantly, dots per ins, dummy power ins, none of the above. The correct answer is dots per ins. Moving to question number 58, VDU stands for Vivid Display Unit, Visual Display Unit, Value Display Unit and Vague Display Unit. The correct answer is Visual Display Unit. Coming to question number 59, how many function keys are there on the keyboard? All of you know how many function keys are there? Yes, 12. It is option B. 12 keys are there. Coming to our last question, which of the following is not electromechanical computer? Z2, Z3, Univac, none of the above. Here Z2 and Z3 is electromechanical computer, but Univac is the first general purpose digital computer. Hope all of you have watched my video properly and come to know something new. So with this, thank you everyone for watching my video. And if you really like the video, please